What is up, boys? I'm back with another trading session. Today I will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. So let's get it started. Here we have a major uptrend, so we're not gonna go against the trend. I'm just gonna wait for my perfect opportunity on this pair because this is a pretty perfect uptrend, and we also have a minor uptrend. So I'm just gonna looking for buys here, and I'm gonna add a couple more currency pairs. Okay, we have this level here, and also this one. Okay, price is trying to go down. This one, there's a gap, so I can go with buyers after this. Okay, I'm gonna go with buyers right now. So here, okay. If it goes up a little bit, I can go with sellers, please. Okay, I go with sellers right here. So I got these two trades. Let's see what the result's gonna be. Okay, this is my buy, and this is my sell. Okay, they both are winners. Let me just move on for the next. Okay, this candle seems to be a red one. If it goes up a little bit, I can enter, but it doesn't go up, no problem. Okay, I'm gonna just move on. Okay, I'm gonna go with buyers right on this candle. Not gonna lie, come down, baby. Oh shit, come down. Let me see. This is pretty valid level, okay? So I was about to go with buyers there. Okay, so here we have a 50% I mean 50% trade, because we don't know if it's gonna come down again or it's gonna go up, because apparently this is a strong level here. The price that this candle bounce up, it seems it's pretty strong level, but we still cannot trust this movement, and we have to just wait to see what is going on. Okay, we see some actions from buyers finally. And the next level is here. Still no opportunities. It looks pretty risky to go with buyers here because okay, it switched to 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna close this one because I don't know what they do this, but it's not a good thing. Okay, 7, okay. I don't see any opportunity, to be honest, so I'm gonna just wait to see my perfect position to take my trade, okay? So there is a trend which is trying to break. Okay, It seems it's gonna break to the downside so bad. Okay, I go with sellers right on this candle, and I know, oh man, it's 3 minutes. I thought it's 2 minutes. Yeah, I was about to take this trade based on, I was about to take this trade close on the next candle, but apparently it's 3 minutes instead of 2 minutes because it's pretty strong setup right here. And I knew it was 2 minutes, but I didn't know it's 3 minutes. That's crazy, man. Okay. Let's see what this trade's gonna be. This is perfect entry. I don't think I can lose this trade. It comes down, I can enter for 1 minute. Oh, it seems the price is pushing up. Okay, I would have been won this trade because I don't know, man. That was fucking 3 minutes. I don't know what the hell is happening in this market. I've seen this changes to 2 minutes, but that was 3 minutes, man. It's crazy. I don't really understand why they thought they do that, because that's really pissing me off. It's a terrible idea to do that. But anyways, I'm just gonna make that as a piece of cake. Okay, let's go with the next trade. I'm gonna go with sellers right here. If it goes up, I can go one more entry. Go up, please. No. Okay. I'm gonna take one more trade because of my unfair loss. Okay, I'm gonna enter right on this candle after this candle. So if this gives me a nice breakout here, I can go for a trade. No. Okay, that was a win. My previous trade, that was a win. I guess I can go with buyers here because the buyers are pretty strong on this level right here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with buyers right now because we have buyers entry so strongly. And then this is gonna be our retracement. and this candle should be green. Okay, so that's my reason. But my entry is a little late. Okay. Okay, that was another win. I guess that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my live trading sessions, drop a like for me, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post my live sessions every single day. So yeah, thank you for all your supports. Peace.